Team FoneArena is in Barcelona, here to check out Mobile World Congress, where there's going to be the absolute bleeding edge tech making its way into your hands this year. But did you know that it's the smart engineers at Qualcomm who are responsible for a whole lot of that hardware innovation? We'd like to take a moment to thank our sponsors at Qualcomm for helping us make this coverage happen. And now, on to the video. Hi everyone, this is Dhruv Bhutani here from Team FoneArena at the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, where Nokia has launched a brand new range of devices. We've got with us the brand new Nokia One. Now this is an Android Go device, so let's take a closer look. Bright colors greet you as you take a closer look at the Android Go powered Nokia One. The most affordable Android handset from the company brings back with it the legacy of interchangeable Express-On covers. Designed as an accessible smartphone right from scratch, the Nokia One makes use of bright colors and plastics to drive costs down while still keeping things interesting. The Nokia One is a compact device with a 4.5-inch display. With a resolution of 854 by 480 pixels, this is not going to be turning heads anywhere, but that's not the point of this phone anyway. The Nokia One gives you a 1.1 GHz MediaTek processor, 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of storage, and most importantly, a pure build of Android which is guaranteed to get updates for the next 2 years. Performance is good enough for what the phone is aimed at. We found that basic social media use, browsing, and phone usage should not pose an issue at all, though you probably shouldn't buy this phone if you're looking to game a lot. Compromises have to be made to hit the price point, of course, and the Nokia One is anything but a powerhouse. The camera is a mere 5 megapixels and tops off at VGA video recording. But with dual SIM card slots, a 2150 mAh battery, 4G capabilities, and the convenience of running any app from the Google Play Store, the Nokia One is aimed at democratizing smartphones. Between Nokia's brand appeal and the quality of hardware here, we think Nokia should be able to make strides in achieving that goal. The Nokia One is priced at just $85 or about 5,500 rupees, which should make it quite an interesting deal for someone about to buy their first smartphone.